Okay, so we know that we've got delta y equals m delta x. That's what we're trying to approximate. And so if you want to write that down, that's not a bad plan. And then what are you trying to use? dy equals, so now I'm converting each one of those pieces into calculus. Delta y becomes dy, m becomes what's slope in calculus, derivative, and then delta x becomes dx. And the whole approximation part is that we're saying that dx is approximately equal to delta x. Okay, so is this ready to do the derivative as it stands? No. So let's go ahead and rewrite that. Yeah. So x to the minus 1. I was just thinking about making it harder, but I didn't. X to the minus 1. If there had been, can we make this a 4 up here? Make that a 4. So just whatever's in the denominator, you're only moving the x. All the numbers stay where they are. Minus 7x to the 1/2. Now am I ready? Yes. So put in, so I get 4 times negative x to the minus 2 minus 7 times 1/2 x to the minus 1/2. All of that times dx. Does that look right so far? Anyone? I know, I should have picked something easier to demonstrate. I was trying to do too much. So does this make sense what I did? So we're finding the derivative. So now what do? I plug in what? Here and here, x equals 100. And here, delta x, which is minus 2. I'm just going to leave that there because I have no idea what the answer is, because I made it up. Okay, so when you're doing differentials, look, I think it's not a bad plan to think about the algebra and then translate it into calculus, and then it tells you what to do. Find this, and then plug in pieces. Okay, we have a minute to win it, literally a minute. 9:14 here. So the minute to win it, I've decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up to 2 points on your test grade. That's how I'm going to do that extra credit. So it behooves you to, this is stuff that you just need to know just because if you know it off the top of your head, you don't need to think about it when you're in the middle of the test. You already know what it is. So that's kind of the plan. You don't know your multiplication steps. I hope this is faster than that's what they're going on.